Welcome back to Click Future. We've celebrated a series of stunning breakthroughs in quantum computing. We've seen machines that can talk to parallel universes, computers that learn to be immortal, and processors that get better as they get bigger. Now we must confront the dark side of this perfection. A computer that never makes a mistake can solve humanity's greatest challenges. It can design new medicines, create new materials, and optimize our entire economy. It can also break every secret we have ever kept. The recent breakthroughs in fault-tolerant quantum computing have inadvertently created not just a scientific tool, but a cryptographic master key. This isn't a story about potential future threat. It is a declaration of a national security emergency that has already begun. We are not talking about a new way to trade stocks or optimize a supply chain. We are talking about the single greatest threat to the digital world as we know it. We will explain how the very perfection of these new machines makes them the ultimate weapon, how a 30-year-old algorithm has just been armed and pointed at the heart of our economy, and how this crisis is creating one of the largest, most urgent, and most overlooked investment opportunities of the 21st century. The race to rebuild the entire foundation of digital trust. To understand the scale of this emergency, we first need to redefine what we mean by a perfect computer. This isn't about a machine with flawless physical components. The individual qubits in these systems are still incredibly fragile, like the soap bubbles we've discussed before. The perfection lies in the system, in the creation of what physicists call logical qubits. As we explored in our episode on Harvard's breakthrough, a logical qubit is a team of physical qubits working together. Some qubits in the team perform the calculation, while others act as security guards, constantly checking for errors in their neighbors. If a physical qubit starts to drift, to decohere, the system instantly detects the error and corrects it before it can damage the computation. It's the quantum equivalent of a RAID array in a high-end server. A single physical hard drive can fail, but the overall system, the logical drive, continues to operate perfectly, preserving the integrity of the data. This is the leap we have just made. We are moving from the noisy intermediate-scale quantum, NISQ era, where our calculations were constantly corrupted by errors, to the fault-tolerant era, where the final logical level computation is, for all practical purposes, perfect. This achievement, the culmination of billions of dollars and decades of research, is a monumental step towards solving humanity's grand challenges. But it has an immediate and unavoidable consequence. A computer powerful and stable enough to simulate a new drug molecule is also powerful and stable enough to break the encryption that protects our entire digital world. The cryptographic Doomsday Clock just struck midnight. The threat is no longer a question of if, but when. The weapon that will be used in this cryptographic war has been sitting in plain sight for 30 years. It is a mathematical recipe called Shor's Algorithm, discovered by the mathematician Peter Shor in 1994. For 3 decades, it has been a loaded gun with no trigger, a theoretical threat that was always a decade away. The fault-tolerant quantum computer is the trigger. Shor's algorithm is elegant and terrifyingly specific. Its function is to find the prime factors of enormous numbers exponentially faster than any known classical algorithm. This one specific capability is the Achilles heel of virtually all public key cryptography we use today. The security of your bank account, your email, your online purchases, it all rests on a simple mathematical trick. It is very easy to multiply 2 huge prime numbers together to get a new, even bigger number, your public key, but it is practically impossible for a classical computer to take that public key and work backward to find the original 2 prime numbers, your private key. A classical supercomputer would need longer than the age of the universe to factor a standard 2048-bit RSA key, a sufficiently large, fault-tolerant quantum computer running Shor's algorithm could do it in a matter of hours or even minutes. For 30 years, this was impossible because the millions of delicate quantum operations required by the algorithm would be destroyed by decoherence almost instantly. But the perfect logical qubits we just discussed provide a stable enough platform to see the calculation through to its devastating conclusion. The gun has been triggered. The cryptographic world is now on borrowed time. This isn't hyperbole. This is the official position of the world's most advanced intelligence agencies. The U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, has been running a multi-year competition to find replacement encryption standards, stating that the threat of quantum computers is real and rapidly approaching. The National Security Agency, NSA, has issued public guidance urging national security systems to begin the transition to quantum-resistant algorithms, warning that the timeline for Y2Q, the year to quantum, has been significantly accelerated by recent hardware breakthroughs. Every broken secret creates a business opportunity, and the breaking of every secret at once has ignited a massive, non-optional, multi-trillion-dollar upgrade cycle for the entire global security infrastructure. This is the Post-Quantum Cryptography (PQC) market, and it is one of the most significant investment themes of the next decade. Investment notice: the new standards bearers. The NIST PQC competition has identified the new cryptographic gold standards. Algorithms with names like Crystal's Kyber and Crystal's dilithium are the mathematical recipes that will secure the future. While these algorithms are open source, the investment opportunity lies within the companies that can expertly and efficiently implement them across complex enterprise systems. This is a massive tailwind for the professional services and cybersecurity divisions of major tech companies like IBM and Accenture, who will be paid billions to manage this transition for Fortune 500 clients. Investment Notice 2: the cybersecurity platforms. This is the largest and most direct public market opportunity. Every cybersecurity company on the planet must integrate PQC into their products or they will become obsolete. The first to offer a seamless, quantum-resistant security fabric will have a major competitive advantage. Investors should be closely watching the PQC roadmaps of market leaders like Palo Alto Networks, CrowdStrike, and Zscaler. This isn't a new product line for them. It is a mandatory high-margin upgrade to their core offering, and the sales cycle will be driven by the existential fear of their clients. Investment Notice 3: the infrastructure of trust. The new quantum-safe keys are much longer and more complex than the old ones. They need to be protected in digital vaults. This is the role of hardware security modules, HSMs. The market leaders in this space, such as the French technology giant Thales and the private company Entrust, provide the physical, tamper-proof hardware that stores and manages these critical keys. Their sales are directly tied to the PQC transition, making them a picks and shovels play on the entire quantum security market. If you think this is a problem for 2030, you are dangerously mistaken. The crisis is already here. It's called the Harvest Now, Decrypt Later strategy, and it is one of the most chilling concepts in modern espionage. Right now, as you are watching this, nation-state adversaries are actively intercepting and storing petabytes of encrypted data from governments and corporations around the world. This data, diplomatic cables, the intellectual property for a new jet engine, sensitive corporate financial data, military deployment plans, is currently safe, protected by classical encryption. They are not even trying to decrypt it today. They are simply storing it, waiting patiently for the day they have a fault-tolerant quantum computer. On that day, they will begin to retroactively unlock the secrets of the past decade. This transforms the PQC transition from a future problem into an immediate 5-alarm fire. Any sensitive data with a long shelf life that is encrypted with classic algorithms today is already compromised from a future perspective. As the Cloud Security Alliance stated in a recent report, the harvest has already begun. The shelf life of our most important secrets has, in effect, already expired. The story of the perfect computer is not just one of doom and gloom. A machine that never makes a mistake is not just a code breaker, it is the ultimate verification engine. This opens up entirely new markets built on the concept of digital certainty. Consider the world of decentralized finance. Bugs and loopholes in smart contracts have led to the loss of billions of dollars. A fault-tolerant quantum computer can perform a formal verification of a smart contract, mathematically proving that it is free of loopholes before a single dollar is deployed. This could revolutionize the insurance industry and bring a new level of trust and security to blockchain performers like Ethereum. Consider the design of the very computer chips that power our world. The logical design of a modern GPU from NVIDIA or CPU from Intel is so complex that it is impossible to test every possible state, which is why bugs are sometimes discovered after the chips have already shipped. A quantum computer can simulate and verify the entire logical design of a new classical chip, guaranteeing it is perfect. This is a massive value proposition for the entire semiconductor industry. This creates a new market for quantum assurance as a service, where companies can pay for time on a quantum computer to verify the integrity of their most critical digital assets. The perfect fault-tolerant quantum computer is a dual-use technology of the highest order. It represents an existential threat to our current security infrastructure, but it also provides the tools to build a more secure, reliable, and trustworthy digital world. The key for investors is to understand that the threat is what will drive the opportunity. The transition to post-quantum cryptography is no longer a choice, it is a non-negotiable, multi-trillion-dollar global infrastructure project. The Harvest Now, Decrypt Later threat means the clock has already run out. The quantum security market is one of the few areas of technology with a guaranteed, threat-driven demand curve for the next decade. The companies that provide the picks, shovels, and vaults for this great migration are positioned for sustained and significant growth. The question for investors is no longer if this will happen, but who will be the primary beneficiaries of the most important security upgrade in human history.